Today I'll show you how to vectorize an image in Adobe Illustrator on iPad. Start by opening Illustrator on your iPad. Then import the image you want to vectorize. Tap on the photo gallery icon and select the desired image. You'll notice the image has limited resolution. If you zoom in, you can see individual pixels. Tap the object icon in the toolbar and hit the Vectorize button. This will instantly convert the raster image into a smooth, editable vector graphic. To select specific shapes, simply click on Ungroup. Then you can transform the shapes, adjust the fill color, or refine the overall design. You can restart the vectorization process and explore Illustrator's refinement options. Select the type of source image, which will help Illustrator fine-tune its process for optimal results. Threshold determines how much detail is included, paths controls the smoothness of edges, and corners refines the sharpness of angles. Play around with these values to get the exact look you want. Specify the image type to produce better results. Although vectorization can clean up resolution issues, starting with a high quality image gives you better results.
Thanks for watching. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tutorials.